People overestimate what they can achieve in a year, but they always underestimate what they can do in a decade. Every time someone asks me how I manifested my dream life, I answer with this Tony Robbins quote. Because when I look back to my past almost decade, I'm absolutely over the moon to see what I actually manifested. My dream career, my dream lifestyle, the freedom to work from wherever, whenever, however I want, my dream home, and just a happiness and a deep sense of fulfillment. So in this video, I'll share the exact secrets of how I did this and how you can do this for yourself. So stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how. Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already done so. Hit the bell right next to it, that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Like this video, it helps me a lot. Seriously, just like it. And share this video with someone who needs to hear this, because the more people that know about this knowledge, the better of a world we can create. I know it sounds cliche, but this knowledge has literally helped change my entire life and alleviate so much suffering. You could probably help a few souls just by sharing this video. So let's get into the video. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know that I don't come from money. I didn't grow up with a silver spoon in my mouth. I grew up in a single parent household, and from a very young age, I could only rely on myself. And I think that's one of the main reasons why I am so self-disciplined, and why I'm also very clear on the vision that I wanted for myself. Because if I hadn't experienced that contrast early on in my life, I probably wouldn't have wanted it that much. So if we just take a look at the circumstances that I started from, everything was pointing towards a very average life. Go to college, get your degree, get in debt to go to college, and just have a normal job and get married, and that's it. And that's not what I wanted. I dared to dream big. And it looked like that until I got into personal development about 10 years ago. You see, as a student, I lived in a tiny windowless studio. But even at that point, I was grateful and I dared to dream. I was grateful that I even had a roof over my head. I was grateful for the food in my tiny fridge. And I dare to believe that everything that I can imagine for myself, I can manifest with the highest precision. I wrote down everything that I wanted in present tense, and it's kind of spooky as to how precise certain things have manifested. If I can find it, I will put a photo of, just for example, this was just a vacation in the Maldives. I went there twice, but this was just a vacation that I had. And as I was sitting by the pool, I was like, wait a minute, this looks familiar to me. And I just, I looked at a photo that I had downloaded from Pinterest, and it was almost the exact same pool. And it is not a pool that you see everywhere, okay? So if I can find it, I'll put it right here. And another thing was that, I don't even know why I wrote this down, but I wrote down that I live in this beautiful house with the view of the mountains in the back and a view of the sea in the front. And that's exactly what I have right now. It's like, if I look at the back of my house, I can see it's not really the mountains, it's more like the hills, but it's still like, sort of like, it's in between hills and mountains. And then at the front, they live very close to the sea, so you can see the sea. So those details have all manifested just by me writing those things down. I wrote down everything in present tense, down to every little detail, the type of house I wanted, the kind of chandeliers and rugs that I wanted in my house, even what my cat would look like, literally everything. And at this point, I want to highlight the success of your practices highly depends on what kind of person that you are. Not everybody manifests the same way. So if you're an auditory person, affirmations will work great for you. If you're a visual person, right, visualizing and vision boards will be the best for you. And if you're a kinetic type like me, you need to really feel into it, right? Getting into the feeling of it. I used to be a dancer, and we're very much in our bodies, right? And if you feel it, that's how we can manifest it. And Neville Goddard, the teacher of the law of assumption, he was actually a dancer as well. And he keeps talking about, that feeling is the secret. So this is not me saying that only one practice works for you. These all work and you can all use them. They're all fun to use. I'm just saying that depending on the type of person that you are, certain techniques will work better for you. I have an entire video on this. I'll link it right here and in the description box below. But this is the secret to manifest with precision. So let's recap. First, dare to dream no matter what your circumstances are, no matter where you come from. Second, make sure where you want to go. Make sure that you have a clear vision of where you want to go and what you want to have in the future. And lastly, identify what type of person you are and experiment with different practices. Tap into the ones that feel most natural to you. Those are the ones that will help you manifest the fastest. Don't force it. Don't think that you have to visualize just because everybody else is doing it. Don't think that you have to do affirmations just because this person told you that. The only thing that works is affirmations. The only thing that works is what is most natural to you. I can't stress this enough. And this is how you'll unlock your ability to manifest your dream life and anything that it is that you want with precision. Now, if you've come this far into the video, and if you desire to be in an energy where manifestation is truly accelerated, where you're in alignment and flow and your desires manifest with ease on autopilot, this is your invitation to join my community, Limitless. This is a community that I wish I would have had when I was doing this all on my own, right? You don't have to do this alone. You can be part of a community that inspires you. And when you get to be in that energy of like, yes, I am doing this. Because oftentimes we do these courses and we'll watch these videos and then we're in a high vibe for like an hour or a day, and then we drop back into our routine, right? Because we're back in our normal life. Things just haven't changed. So by being in this community, you can tap into this energy every single day. I share trainings and techniques inside that I don't teach anywhere else. So we have monthly masterclasses, special meditations, subconscious programming, live manifestation ceremonies with yours truly. As soon as you join, you get access to a full year worth of content, masterclasses, trainings, teachings by clicking the link in the description and the pinned comments below. I made it a special price for my YouTube family, so take advantage of that. With that being said, I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone that needs to hear this. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.